channel. In today's video we're going to look into a mutual fund review. So today we will get to know the details of Parag Parikh mutual fund which is giving us a good return. So let's see the details of the fund, which is Parag Parikh long-term equity fund. So Parag Parikh long-term equity fund is a multi-cap fund which was started in May 2013 with a new approach and has a very transparent governance. So it's unique approach of investing in both India and foreign stocks, but for now they're investing only in US stocks. This is a very small fund house. It has only two funds. One is this multi-cap fund, which is Parag Parikh long-term equity fund, and the other one is liquid fund, which was started recently to help with the STP. Even though this is a small fund house, its parent company has a more than 20 years of experience in stock market, and this stock basically doesn't invest in more than 30 stocks. 9% of asset is invested by the promoters and the employees only, and 65% is invested in Indian stocks, and 25 to 35% is invested in the US equities. So let's look into the fund managers. So there are three fund managers for this fund. Mr. Rajiv Thakkar, he has an experience of 16 years overall. He is the equity fund manager. The second is Mr. Raj Mehet. He is the debt fund manager since January 27, 2016. And the third one is Mr. Raunak Onkar, and he is the fund manager for overseas securities since inception, that is from 2013, from the time they had launched this fund. So now let's look into the details of this fund. So it comes under the multi-cap category. It was launched in the year 2013 on 24th May. The benchmark is Nifty 500. So the turnover is only 8%. So you all can see how clear they are in choosing the stocks to invest. This is an open-ended type fund, and its minimum investment is 1000 rupees. The exit load is different here when compared to the other mutual fund schemes. So here 2% is charged if we do the redemption within 365 days, and 1% is charged when we do the redemption between 366 to 730 days. The beta is 0.67 and alpha is 4.68. So I will give you all a detailed video of what is beta and what is alpha in my future videos. You all can get to know the details in that video. So we'll see the top 10 holdings of this fund. So as you'll know, I told you all before itself, it invests both in US stocks and Indian stocks. So we'll see which all stocks. So I've differentiated it here by color. So the pink ones are US stocks and the orange ones are the Indian stocks. So we'll see which stock it is, the value invested by this fund. So Alphabet Inc., it is none other than Google. So they've invested an amount of 96 crores. The second one is Facebook, 49.91 crores. And Housing Development Finance Corp Limited, this is HDFC. So they've invested 46.34 crores. And the fourth one is Suzuki Motor Corp. This is also a US stock. So they've invested 46.34 crores. So the fifth one is Maruti Suzuki India Limited, so they've invested 33.84 crores. So the next is Tata Steel Limited, so they've invested 33.24 crores. Then comes next is the foreign company, that is the US stock, which is Nestle SAADR. They've invested an amount of 33.24 crores. And the next one is an Indian company, which is Century Textiles Limited, which they have invested 34.73 crores. And next is 3M Co. This is a foreign US stock in which they have invested 25.70 crores. And lastly, the 10th one is S Bank Limited, which they have invested 48.28 crores. So let's look into the returns given by this fund over the years. So this was started in 2013, so we will have only the 5-year return here. So 10th year return is nil here, because the fund was only started in the year 2013 and it's 2018 now. Past 5 years, this fund has given us a return of 4.40% for 1 year, 12.24% for 3 years, and 17.89% for 5 years. Let's see the SIP calculation. So the period of investment is from May 28, 2013 to September 28, 2018. So the total number of investment is 65 investments, that is 65 months. And the total amount invested by us is 3,25,000 rupees, whereas the units purchased by this amount, that is 3,25,000, is 19,977 units. So the current value of this amount, that is 3,25,000, is as on 28th September is 5,01,301 rupee, and the latest NAV is 23.83. So coming to the SIP investment returns in percentage is it is 17.74%. So what is the benefit by investing in this fund? So this fund invests both in domestic stock, that is Indian stock, as well as US stock. So this, they have mentioned it as foreign stocks. For now they are investing only in US stocks. Future they may change, they may invest in other country stocks also. So for now they are investing only in US stocks. So when there is a downtrend in Indian stocks, there might be a uptrend in the US stocks. So overall performance of this fund will be good, because this particular fund is investing in both the stocks, that is Indian and US stocks. So we will have a good return percentage when compared to other funds. So if at all you want to start investing in this fund, please do your research and then start investing. As I always say, start thinking and happy investing. Thank you for watching the video, and do not forget to subscribe to my channel and hit the bell icon so that you get notified as we upload a new video. All the information provided in this channel is only for general guidance and educational purpose. Don't consider this as a recommendation from our side. Please do your own research or seek a financial advisor prior to investing. You can follow us even on Facebook and Twitter. Thank you.